Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So today we are going to discuss a important error which is data is logged by user XYZ and can be displayed only. So let's understand more in detail about this error. So first of all, this is not the error message. This message pops up when the other user is already working on that specific transaction. So system is giving priority to the user currently working on that transaction, and it is locked for that current user, and no other user can interfere or open the transaction in between. So that's the reason this message is being reflected if other user is trying to open the same transaction. So in order to resolve this error, we need to go to SM12 transaction. But before that, let's check if it is okay to delete in the logs in SM12. So if you delete a log while the user is still working, it may lead to data inconsistency or dump errors. Also, while financial or logistics posting of documents, this can cause serious posting errors. So the best practice is to first always check whether the user is already working on the transaction or not. If they are not working, you can safely delete the log entry in SM12. Never delete all the logs blindly. Always check the table name and log arguments field to identify what is being logged. In short, yes, it is okay to delete user or logs in SM12, but only after confirming that they are not actively using that transaction or document. So now I will show you in the system like how the logs are being deleted in SM12 transaction. So let's move on to the system. So I will open a transaction which is already logged. So I will go to OBY6. So see, the data is locked. So I will copy the username Rebecca and I will go to SM12. SM12. Here I will paste the username and I will click on search. See, this many tables or entries are being locked. So for this deletion, I will select all and I will click on delete. Delete. So the entries are being deleted. Now we will check in OBY6 again if the transaction is being opened or not. And see, now we can open the transaction.
So friends, that's it for today's session. I hope this step-by-step explanation helped you understand why this error occurs and how you can resolve it in SAP. Keep in mind that you should never delete the logs in SM12 blindly. Always consult the active user whose name appears in the error message, and only after their confirmation you should proceed with deleting the logs, as it may cause inconsistencies in the active session if deleted blindly. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. Also, if you have any questions or doubts, feel free to drop them in comment section. I will try my best to help in resolving them. That's all for today friends. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with another useful SAP tips.